This is the AirPods Pro 3, and Apple says they're smarter, clearer, and more immersive than ever. Basically, the ultimate everyday earbuds. But here's the thing. After using these in real life, on calls, at the gym, on flights, and just doom scrolling YouTube at night, I realized there's something Apple doesn't really talk about in the ads. So the big question is, are these actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? These are the AirPods Pro 3, Apple's latest premium true wireless earbuds, sitting at the top of Apple's audio lineup. They're designed for people who live in the Apple ecosystem, iPhone users, MacBook users, Apple Watch wearers, the whole crew. The big selling points this year are next-gen active noise cancellation, improved sound quality thanks to Apple's new H-series chip, better battery life, and smarter adaptive features that adjust to your environment automatically. At around $249, these are clearly premium earbuds, but Apple is betting that the experience justifies the price. Performance. In short, effortless. I use the AirPods Pro 3 everywhere. Commuting, editing videos, taking calls, working out, even falling asleep with a podcast playing. And this is where Apple still dominates. You pop them in, they connect instantly, and you forget about them. Sound quality is noticeably improved. Bass feels tighter and more controlled, vocals are clearer, and spatial audio feels wider without sounding artificial. Listening to music feels more room-filling, even though these are tiny earbuds. Noise cancellation is seriously impressive. On a plane, it killed engine noise better than the previous generation. In a cafe, voices fade into the background instead of fighting your music. And transparency mode? Still the best in the business. You can hear the world around you without that robotic underwater sound. Features and tech. First up, adaptive noise control. This automatically blends noise cancellation and transparency depending on your surroundings. Walking down a busy street, you hear cars. Sit down, boom, noise cancels again. It sounds small, but in real life, it means you're not constantly fiddling with settings. Second, personalized spatial audio. Apple scans your ears using your iPhone camera and tunes the sound specifically for you. The result? Music and movies feel more immersive and natural, especially on Apple TV and iPad. Third, conversation awareness. Start talking and the volume drops automatically while voices around you get louder. This is perfect for quick chats at work or ordering coffee. No awkward earbud removal needed. And finally, seamless Apple integration. Switching between iPhone, MacBook, and iPad is instant. No menus, no pairing drama. It just works. And honestly, that's still Apple's biggest advantage. Design and build. Design-wise, Apple didn't reinvent the wheel, and that's okay. The AirPods Pro 3 keep the familiar stem design, but they're slightly lighter and more comfortable over long sessions. The silicone ear tips come in multiple sizes, and once you find your fit, they disappear in your ears. I wore these for 3-hour editing sessions with zero discomfort. The case still feels premium, still pocket-friendly, and now has better dust resistance, great for gym bags and travel. It's not flashy, but it's refined, practical, and very Apple. Battery life. Battery life is quietly better this year. You're getting around 6.5 hours on a single charge and over 30 hours total with the case. That means a full workday plus some Netflix at night, no problem. Fast charging is clutch too. 5 minutes in the case gives you about an hour of playback, which has saved me more times than I'd like to admit. Pros. Best-in-class noise cancellation and transparency. Seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Extremely comfortable for long-term use. Cons. Expensive compared to rivals, no major design refresh. Final verdict. Look, if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, this is almost a no-brainer. The convenience, sound quality, and smart features come together in a way that competitors still struggle to match. They feel less like gadgets and more like an extension of your iPhone. But if you're on Android or you just want maximum customization and EQ control, there are better value options from Sony or Bose that might suit you more. Are they expensive? Yes. Are they revolutionary? Not exactly. But are they the most polished, everyday wireless earbuds you can buy right now? Honestly, yeah. Apple didn't reinvent the wheel, they just made it smoother. So that's my take on the AirPods Pro 3. But now I want to hear from you. Are you upgrading or sticking with an older pair? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you out, a thumbs up really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest, real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.